Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks about differential equations, and I'll be solving problems based on it. First, I'll be teaching or sharing ideas or tips about how to solve the problems of differential equations by separating variables or by variable separable methods. Okay, let's see what is variable separated form, or how do we solve the problems of differential equation in variable separable method. If the equation dy by dx equals f of xy could be written in the form dy by dx equals x by y, where x is function of x alone and y is function of y alone, it can be written as y dy equals x dx, in which variables are separated. Then by direct integration we'll get the general solution. It means here in this case what do we do is we'll separate the variables. We'll bring all the x or the function of x to one side along with dx, and all the y's, all the terms containing y or the function of y to along with dy, and then by simple integration we'll get the answer. Hope you understood this. This is how we'll be solving the problems of differential equation in which variable separable methods can be used. Hope you understood. So I'm going to solve some problems and then I'll be explaining it one by one. Let's see the first problem. The first problem is dy by dx equals x by y. So by just cross multiplication, we'll get x dx equals y dy, as we just discussed. So we have separated the variable, or x is with dx and y is with dy. That means variables are separated. So if we bring y dy on left hand side, we'll get x dx minus y dy equals 0. Now by simple integration we'll get x square by 2 minus y square by 2 equals constant. So in left hand side both terms are divided by 2. So for c constant we'll write here c by 2, or simply we can write c also, no matter. So that by simplification we'll get x square minus y square equals c, which is the required answer. Hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion, please share with me. Write it in comment box so that I can help you. Okay, let's move to next question. Question number 2. X dx plus y dy equals 0. Okay, so our question number 2 is, the second question is x dx plus y dy equals 0. Okay, so we are going to solve this question number 2. Now we can see here the variable x is with dx and y is with dy. So already the variables are separated. Okay, so just by simple integration we'll get, for x integration is x square by 2, we can use simple power rule. So power rule, according to power rule, power of x is 1, so 1 plus 1 2, and we'll divide by 2. Similarly the integration of y is y square by 2, and for right hand side, that is for 0, integration of 0 is constant, and for constant, as we have 2 in denominator of left hand side, so we'll write here c by 2, so that we'll get a desired answer. So we are putting here in right hand side for constant c by 2, and then by simplification, just by taking LCM, we'll get x square plus y square equals c, which is our required answer. Hope you understood this, my dear students. It's very simple. We just need to pay attention, and we have to use simple integration, then we'll be getting our answer. Okay, continue let's continue question number 3, which is dy by dx equals x square plus 1 by y square plus 1. Okay, so by simple cross multiplication we'll get x square plus 1 dx equals y square plus 1 times dy. Now let's open the bracket, so that we'll get here x square dx plus 1 times dx minus, bring the right hand side to left hand side, so that we'll get here y square dy minus dy equals 0. Now we can see that all the variables are separated. That means x is, or the function of x is with dx, and y, or the function of y is with dy. Now by simple integration, integrating on both sides, will get x square, for x square x cubed by 3, and integration of dx is x. Similarly for y square, integration is y cubed by 3, and for dy, integration is simply y. Okay, for right hand side constant, for constant we can write c, or according to our choice or according to condition we can put here, we'll put c by 3, so that we can cancel 3 from both sides. Okay, so by simplification or taking LCM, we'll get x cube plus 3x minus y cube minus y equals c, or we can bring the term negative terms on right hand side, so that we'll get answer as x cube plus 3x equals y cube plus 3y plus c equals 0. This is the solution for question number 3. Hope you are getting this. And so please, again, if you have any confusion, please share with me. Thank you so much. Now let's move to question number 4. So question number 4 is here. Question number 4 is question number 4 is x square times dy minus y square times dx equals 0. So we can see here x square is with dy and y square is with dx. So first we'll separate this. So we'll bring that function of x, or x with dx and y with dy. So what we can do, let's bring the second term y square dx to right hand side. So it is negative in left hand side and it will be positive on right hand side. So now by arranging, we'll get here, always put dx and dy in numerator, so that we'll get here dx by x square equals dy by y square. Now let's bring the right hand side to left hand side, make it 0 on right hand side, so that we'll get here dx by x square, which is same as x power minus 2 dx minus dy by y square, which is same as minus y to the power minus 2 dy. Now we can see that the variables are separated. That means x, or the function of x, is with dx, y, or the function of y, is with dy. Now by simple integration or by direct integration, integrating on both sides, we'll get here as x power minus 1. I hope you understand this. It's by simple integration. It is just by using power rule. So x power minus 2 plus 1 will be there, and we have to divide by minus 2 plus 1, which is same as x power minus 1 by minus 1 minus y power minus 1 by minus 1 equals c. And now x power minus 1 means it is 1 by x, y power minus 1 means 1 by y, and because of minus, the second term will be positive, first will be negative, so it is 1 by y minus 1 by x equals c. Now just by taking LCM, in left hand side we'll get here x minus y by xy, and by cross multiplication we have the answer. The correct answer, the final answer is x minus y equals cxy, which is the required answer. Hope you are getting this, and if you have any confusion, please share with me. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share this video among your friends. Question number 5 is like this. It is here 1 plus x square times dy by dx equals 1. So at first we have to separate the variables. That means dy should be with function of y or y, and dx should be with function of x or x. So for this, what should we do here? Just do the cross multiplication, and from that we'll get here dy equals dx by 1 plus x square. Once again I'm repeating, please put always dx and dy in numerator, okay, so that by simplification, let's bring the right hand side to left hand side, so that we'll get here dy minus 1 by 1 plus x square times dx equals 0. Now dy is now alone, or there is constant as coefficient of dy, so that's fine. And for dx we have the function of x only here, okay. So now we can integrate this. The variables are separated, so now by simple integration we'll get, for dy we'll get here y, for 1 by 1 plus x square. My dear students, please remember this is formula. Its formula is tan inverse x. Now for constant we'll write here c. So now just bring this second term tan inverse x, which is negative in left hand side, so it will be positive on right hand side, and that is our required answer. Hope you understood this, and please, if you have any confusion, always share with me. Please write it in comment box so that I can help you. Now we'll move to question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 is here. So the question is dy by dx equals e power x plus 1 by y. So at first we'll separate the variables. For that, what should we do? Just do the cross multiplication to separate the variables, so that we got here y dy equals e power x plus 1 times dx. So by simplification we'll get here y dy equals e power x times dx plus 1 into dx. Now by simple integration, now we can integrate because the variables are separated. So by simple integration we'll get, in left hand side, y square by 2 for y dy, and for integration of e power x dx, so integration of exponential function is same, so e power x is e power x, and for 1 x is there. Now for constant we'll write here c by 2, so that we'll get the final answer in easy form or the simple form. So we'll always leave the answer in simplest form. According to that, we'll put the value of c or constant. We'll choose constant in that way, so that we will get the answer in simplest form. So now by just taking LCM, we'll get here y square equals 2ex plus 2x plus c, because from both sides we have cancelled this 2, okay. So this is our final answer. So now we'll move to next question, question number 7. So question number 7 is here dy by dx plus 4x equals 2 times e to the power 2x. So how to integrate this? So as before, we'll first separate the variables. So we'll bring all the variables containing dx, sorry, f, all the variables containing x to one side and y to another side, or we'll put them with x with dx and y with dy. So just by cross multiplication, by simplification, take LCM in left hand side and bring 4x dx in right hand side, so that we'll get dy equals 2 into e to the power 2x minus 4x dx. Simple. In this case we can see that variables are separated. That means y is with constant or the function of y or alone, or dx is, and also dx is with the function of x or in separate form. So we can see here by integrating we'll get here y equals, in left hand side we'll get y, and in right hand side we'll get here for integration of e power 2x, we'll get here e power 2x by 2, because the power of e is 2x. We have to divide the result by coefficient of x, which is in power, that is 2 here. So after that integration of 4x square is 4x square by 2, and plus c will be there, constant of integration. Now by just simplification, let's cancel the terms and simplify, so that we'll get answer as y equals e power 2x minus 2x square plus c. This is our answer. This is question number 7. Now we'll move to question number 8. Okay, so question number 8 is here, and it is, let's see question number 8. The question is square root of 1 minus x square times dy plus 1 minus y square square root of 1 minus y square times dx equals 0. So we have to integrate this, we have to solve this to get the answer. So first we'll separate the variables. So we can see that the function of x is with dy and the function of y is with dx. So we have to separate the variables. For that, let's divide both sides by square root of 1 minus x square and square root of 1 minus y square, so that from first term 1 minus x square and square root over square root will be cancelled with square root of 1 minus x square, and we'll get here dy by square root of 1 minus y square, plus for second term we'll get here dx by 1 minus x square root over. Okay, so what we did here, to get first step, to get the expression in first step, we have divided both side, left and right hand side, by 1 minus x square square root times 1 minus y square square root. Okay, so now we can see the variables are separated. Okay, because dy is with function of y, dx is with function of x. So by integration, simple integration, we'll get here. So we have formula. So 1 by square root of 1 minus y square is simply sin inverse y, and similarly for 1 minus x square, 1 by 1 minus x square square root is sin inverse x, and similarly in left hand side we are getting here sin inverse x for both terms. So we'll write sin inverse c in right hand side for constant, so that we can remove sin inverse x. Okay, so we'll get the answer in simplest form. So now again we'll use formula of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Let me sin inverse a plus sin inverse b, which formula is sin inverse a times square root of 1 minus b square plus b times square root of 1 minus a square. So we have used here a formula of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y in left hand side, and right hand side is same. So now we can remove, or if we operate with sine on both sides, sine inverse and sine will be cancelled, so that we'll get here y times 1 minus x square square root plus x times square root of 1 minus y square equals c. Just arrange the term or leave it as it is. This is our final answer. Now let's move to another question, question number 9. So hope you see question number 9. It is for u here, it is 1 plus x times y dx plus 1 plus x times dy equals 0. So this is our question number 9. Okay, so let's see. It is here 1 plus x times y dx bracket open 1 plus y closed bracket, and then x dy equals 0. So dividing both sides, just we are trying to separate the variables. So dividing both sides by xy, will get here y and y will be cancelled. So we'll get here for first term 1 plus x by x into dx plus 1 plus y by y times dy, because x and x will be cancelled for second term. Okay, so now we can see that variables are separated. Okay, so let's simplify 1 by x, separate the first term. So 1 by x plus x cancelled, so 1 dx, and similarly for second term, separate the term. So 1 by y plus 1 dy equals 0. Now by simple integration, we'll get here 1 by x means log x for 1 x, 1 by y means log y, and plus for 1 we can write here y by integration. For right hand side it is simply c. So what we can do here, we know that we have one formula for log a plus log b, which is simply as plus is there means product we can use. So log a plus log b means log a into b. So first term and the third term can be used as formula to get log x into y plus x plus y equals c. This is our answer. This is solution for question number 9. Hope you are getting this, my dear students. It's not difficult, it's very easy. Just you have to understand what we are doing here. Main thing is we are separating the variables, and then after that we are using simple concept of integration. Okay, so now let's move to question number 10. Question number 10 is here. So it is xy square plus x times dx, y x square plus y times dy equals 0. Again, here the variables are not separated, so at first we have to separate the variables. So what should we do? So dividing by x square plus 1 times y square plus 1 on both sides will get here. So we can take here simply first x is common from first term, y is common from second term, and by dividing x square plus 1 times y square plus 1 will get here y square plus 1 is cancelled, so x dx by x square plus 1, and for second term y dy by y square plus 1 as x square plus 1 is cancelled. Now we can see here to integrate this, now variables are separated. To integrate this, let's write here. So for denominator x square plus 1, first time, in case of first term we have denominator as x square plus 1 whose derivative is 2x, and it must be in numerator so that we can use direct formula. Okay, so for that we are multiplying up and down by 2. So 2x by 2 is same as x dx by x square plus 1. So the same thing is done in second term. Now we have multiplied and divided by 2. Numerator and denominator is multiplied. Numerator and denominators are multiplied and divided by 2. Now we can use direct formula. By simple integration we'll get here log x square plus 1, 1 by 2 is there. So log y square plus 1, 1 by 2 is there. And in the right hand side, let's write here log c by 2. Now 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is cancelled from both sides, as we have now log a plus log b. We can see the term is in the form log a plus log b, so we can use the formula for that, that is log a into b. And now log and log will be removed from both sides, or we can use anti-log on both sides, so that we'll get answer as x square plus 1 times y square plus 1 equals c. This is our answer. So this is question number 10. We have solved question number 10, and hope all of you understood this. My dear students, if you have any confusion, any suggestion, so please share with me so that I can support you. And please, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I'll upload the video. Question number 11 is x dy by dx plus y minus 1 equals 0. So let's bring the second term and third term in right hand side, so that we'll get here x dy by dx equals 1 minus y. And now we will separate the variables. So by arranging the terms, so dy by 1 minus y in left hand side, we'll get here dx by x in right hand side. So remember one thing in your mind, always keep this in your mind, that dx and dy should be numerator, and they will be always with dy should be with the function of y, and dx should be always with the function of x. Then we can integrate to get the answer. Now by simple integration, by getting the term, getting the expression like this, dx by x minus dy by 1 minus y equals 0, by simple integration, or what I have done here, just I have made this 1 minus y, I've taken common from 1 minus y minus 1 is taken common, so that we'll get here minus minus plus. And once, always try to make the variable positive, so in front of variable try to get the positive sign. Okay, so that will be easy for us. So by integration, simple integration, will get here for 1 by x there is log x, for 1 by y minus 1 log y minus 1 is there, and for constant we'll write here as in left hand side we are getting log, so in right hand side also we'll get here. For c we'll simply write here log c. Now we know that log a plus log b is same as log a into b, and log are cancelled, so that we have the final answer as x times y minus y equals, so that we have the final answer x times y minus 1 equals c. This is our final answer. Okay, so now we'll move to question number 12. Question number 12 is here. So you can try by yourself, so without looking the solution, and then if you can, it's okay, otherwise I'm there to solve. Okay, explain it. I have already solved it, and then now I'm going to explain it. So question number 12 is here. Dy by dx equals e power x minus y plus x cube times e to the power minus y. So what we'll do here, at first I'm just writing here, copying left hand side as it is, and for first time in right hand side e to the power x minus y, it can be written as e power x by e power y plus, and for second term, as power is negative, so we can make it positive by putting in denominator, so it is simply x cube by e power y. Now if we take LCM, in right hand side we will get here e power x plus x cube and then whole bracket times dx equals here e power y minus times y. So by integrating, simply by integrating, we'll get here e power y in left hand side, in right hand side e power x, and for e power, sorry, for x power 3 we can write here x power 4 by 4 by simple integration. For constant we'll write here plus c, and this is our answer for question number 12. So question number 13 is 10x into dy plus 10y into dx equals 0. So dividing both sides by 10x into 10y will get dy by 10y, because 10x and 10x cancel, and for second term we'll get here dx by 10x equals 0. So 1 by 10 is cot, so we can write simply cot y into dy plus cot x into dx. Now we know the formula for cot y, integration of cot y is log sin y, cot x is log sin x. So log sin y plus log sin x equals log c in right hand side. So we can use formula for log a plus log b as log a into b, and log will be removed from both sides, so as we'll get answer as sin x into sin y equals c. This is our answer for question number 13. Okay, so question number 14 is here. Dy by dx equals minus 1 plus cos 2y by 1 minus cos 2x. So simply let's copy left hand side as it is. In right hand side we can use formula for 1 plus cos 2y. It is same as 1 plus cos 2a, and 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a, so that will get here minus 2 cos square y by 2 sin square x. So 2 and 2 cancel, so minus is there. So now arrange the term, so that will get here dy by cos square y minus dx by sin square x. So now variables are separated, so we can write here 1 by cos square as cos 1 by cos square as sec square, and 1 by sin square as cosec square. So bring all the terms to left hand side and then just integrate. So that will get here minus cosec square x dx, and then bringing all the terms to right hand side or left hand side, we can have the answer. So we are bringing here all the terms to right hand side, so that minus 1 by sin square is cosec square x, and bringing the next term on right hand side, so it will be here 1 by cos square means sec square, so minus sec square y dy equals 0. Now we know that for integration, by simple integration we'll get here for cosec square x, it is here minus cot x. So as the answer starts from c, it will be always negative in case of integration. So remember in that way, for sec square y it is tan y, so minus minus plus, so cot x minus tan y equals c. This is our answer for question number 14. This is the solution for question number 14. Hope you understood this. Hope you are getting this. My dear students, if you have any confusion, please share with me so that I can help you. And please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share among your friends. And please comment also so that I can understand whether you are understanding or not. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.